Uh, Good morning, a new week. Alano be the billionaire, the big brand, and I'm here just to show you a few things that you guys should learn. So today I'm going to talk about 4 things when it comes to farming, okay? And these 4 things I'm going to talk about specifically on maize farming. And the reason why I'm going to talk about the maize farming is because that is the thing I've come to learn this year. So let's start. So if you look at my maize, my maize are into tasseling stage. Some they're still, but majority are into tasseling stage. So that means this maize are in a place where there are things they need, which I've already done a few, and I'm still waiting for other things. The first thing I did is I did apply fertilizer here, and specifically that was CN. CN is rich in I think calcium and ammonium, and a little bit of nitrogen, if I'm not wrong. So here's the thing: this maize here, they are forming the maize. So you need to apply CN to feed this fruit. So as a farmer, when you don't have the capacity, or you don't have the fertilizer to apply here, your maize are not going to be big. So if you look at this maize compared to that maize, you see this maize will immediately start forming tasseling stage because they lack, I think, one fertilizer component, and that is the urea. So that means they need to grow a little bit. The height they need to increase the height, but because I think they don't have urea, they will start forming the tasseling, and that means at that stage you will skip the one component of fertilizer, that's urea, and you'll apply CN, and you might end up not harvesting the best. Okay, so when we come at the other thing is making sure that your field is clean. We did the weeding, but now I can't do the other weeding because we are approaching the end of the year. It's November. So for me, I feel like this is enough to push this maize into the harvesting period, because this is the second season I'm doing here. And when it comes to second season, majority of the farmers they don't even harvest maize from second season farming. But I'm trying to push so that I can get something. Now, the things that if you're not prepared enough, your maize will not get into this level. So my biggest worry was my maize reaching at this point and they start tasseling, because I feel like the sunlight penetration will not be good, but that will not be a big worry anymore, because the maize have now grown to a good height that I feel like is good. So the only thing I'm worried about is the rains. It has not rained continuously, and this is now the perfect and the right time I need the rains. These rains will, one, help on the maize formation, and also help in dissolving the fertilizer that I did apply, so that the uptake might be faster. It's like feeding a small turtle. So what you need, you don't give the kid solid food. At least give the kid some light food so that the digestion might happen faster, and the kid might now get the right components or the right nutrients into his or her body. So this is what I'm talking right now. Right now I need the rain. The rains will help in making sure that these maize get the best, so that they can now grow and I can get the best harvest. That's the second thing. Now the other thing is, I've seen some people advising that I should apply the NPK 17. I think it's fine, but sometimes money, that's the other thing. At this stage, I don't have enough money to apply fertilizer here. That's the NPK is like an extra component of fertilizer with a balanced component. The NPK, that's nitrogen 17, phosphorus 17, potassium 17. So those are components that will help this maize get the best yields, but money. So in future, I'll consider that for for people who have already told me to apply NPK, because I think I have already applied the best component I can. I have done CN, done urea, I did the planting. So I did 3 here, and I think they're best. For the 4th one, I will do maybe next year. This year, I feel like I'm exhausted financially, so I'll not manage, because this year I've done beyond my capacity. I did projects that I think I could not handle. So, but those were the lessons that I've picked. So the final thing is we shall be waiting to harvest this maize. Maybe in the next 4 weeks, this maize will be ready. But the biggest prayer is we need enough rain so that we get the best harvest. So this particular morning, if you want to read a few things, I don't have anything to hide. You can ask questions, DM, and soon I'll be doing videos on questions that I get. I'll be responding by doing a video. So you guys just drop your questions, then I'll be responding every question that you guys ask through a video that I'll be recording. Bye, and have a good week.